Apple's Project Car has taken a major leap forward in 2021 with major new hires. Starting in January, we learned that Apple had been hiring a string of key hires from Tesla. One of the hires was former Tesla engineering VP Steve MacManus and Ulrich Kranz, a former senior executive at BMW AG, who reportedly leads a development group with several employees focused on car interiors, fabrics, car testing, and vehicle manufacturing. Apple has once again hired a major industry player to deepen its executive bench in seeing an electric vehicle come to market. Apple's car team is filled with dozens of other ex-Tesla hardware and self-driving car engineers. In total, Apple has several hundred engineers working on the project, with most of them developing the self-driving car system rather than the full-fledged vehicle. Bloomberg published a report adding fuel to the fire, though with some meatier information, especially about a string of key hires from Tesla. Bloomberg's report notes that Apple will take 5 to 7 years to launch their autonomous, electric vehicle. The project is moving slower than hoped for due to COVID-19, where the majority of the team is currently either working from home or at the office part-time. Bloomberg claims that Apple has a small team of hardware engineers developing drive systems, vehicle interior and external car body designs with the goal of eventually shipping a vehicle that have been patented. That's a more ambitious goal than in previous years when the project mostly focused on creating an underlying self-driving system. Apple doesn't manufacture its own products, and it will likely take the same approach with a vehicle. It's unclear which company would assemble the car, though. In its first attempt about 5 years ago, Apple worked with engineers from Magna International Inc., a major auto industry contract manufacturer. Reuters recently reported that Apple is aiming to begin producing a car as early as 2024. Nay, of the more interesting twists in the report is Bloomberg claiming that Apple's chip unit is playing a role in the car's development, too, the People said. Overall, a key differentiator for Apple's car over the competition would be Apple's ability to integrate its self-driving system, a pricey initiative that has spurred the company to develop its own software, sensor hardware and chip technologies. The goal is have the user input their destination into the vehicle system and then be driven there with little or no other engagement.